Good morning, all of you. In class 12th, we are still on chapter number 6, that is staffing. And today we are going to start selection process. Already I explained you selection test. Okay, 5 types of test I already explained you. Today I am going to explain you selection process means the staffing has 3 aspects: recruitment, selection and training. So selection is a negative aspect because it includes elimination, scrutiny, etc. So today I am going to explain you how we are going to select the employees, how any organization select the employees. See, first of all, preliminary screening. See, first selection process. This is selection process and the first step is preliminary screening. And we can say scrutiny. Scrutiny means unfit and unqualified employees can be eliminated. Unfit and unqualified. It means a careful screening of applications is done by a screening committee to eliminate the unqualified and unfit candidates. Like in our school, if we want to appoint a teacher, that should be, teacher should have, must possess the qualification of PA. So here also, preliminary screening means unfit and unqualified people can be eliminated at the first stage. Then the next step, that is selection test. Various tests are conducted to know the level of ability, knowledge, interest, aptitude, personality of a particular candidate. There are various types of tests. I already explained you: intelligence test, trait test, aptitude test, interest test, personality test. Intelligence test is to measure the level of intelligence. Then trait test is also known as demonstration or demo test to check the suitability for that particular field. Then aptitude test, check the potential for learning new skills. That is generally in software or technology field. Interest means the interest or involvement of the person. Then personality test to check the emotions, reactions, values, means overall personality. Then after conducting test, the next is interview. Interview means detailed interview are undertaken to seek more information from the candidate. This is one-to-one general. See, the selection tests are conducted in a group. That is not for individual, but interview, or you can say personal interview, is one-to-one to see the more information of the candidate, and it gives the employer to observe the candidate, the speaking skills, okay, yes, communicating skills, observe the candidate and to assess his level of confidence to take up the job. Usually it is done by an expert interview board or maybe in a small organization, that is generally between employer and applicant. So interview is, we can say, solve the doubts of both the sides. Applicants can also ask about his queries, about his doubts, as well as the employer can take his information personally. So interview, then after interview, if the person is clear the interview step, the next step is checking references. Checking references means reference is a source from which useful information on the candidate can be sought. It may be the name of the some person, some teacher, some present employee, etc. Who know about his experience, skill, ability, character, past, background, etc. Now my question is, why there is a need of check references? Why? Just to know the background of the employee, just to know about his in detail. Maybe if the candidate is you are going to appoint, you must have to know about his past knowledge. You must know about his experience of the previous institution, and that is necessary also. Maybe at the in the future, if they require at the time of some fraud or cheating, they require some background. Then also checking background is necessary. So checking references. References can be given to phone number or name of the persons. So the organization will make a phone call to them and take the detail. Do you know about them? Do they have some police background or some what is their, what are their drawbacks, what are their positive aspects, what how they are working. Means the detailed knowledge you can check. So reference means the persons who know them, then selection decision. See, just now I told you, if those persons who clear test, they will be called for interview. Those who clear the interview will be called for checking references, giving references. So the steps are further. If those are eliminated in between, means the interview is not good, the employer is not satisfied, they will be eliminated at this stage. Only selected candidates will be called for checking reference, then selection decision. If the organization is satisfied with the references and check the references and the references give them positive report, then selection decision. Final decision is made by the concerned manager based on the performance of the candidates in all the above steps. All the above steps. See again. Those who clear the interview, they will be called for references, and those who will be clear the reference part will be taken as in decision criteria. So next step after the final selection or selection decision, medical examination. Means the organization will ask them to give their fitness certificate, physical fitness certificate. The medical examination, some organization undertake medical examination even before testing, armed force, police, etc. See, in yes, in Air Force, Navy, they see the eyesight level also. In Army or police, they required some specific height also. So that will be done prior. But generally in management or marketing or in some professionally qualified, they require medical examination after interview, after checking reference, after final decision, they call them for medical fitness certificate. See, basically, medical fitness certificate required, so to check the fitness and medical examination will be there. So that is like if this person should not have some serious disease, incurable disease. Okay, that's why they want. Otherwise, general fitness certificate is there. So after, if the person is giving has given the medical examination, then the organization will offer them job. Those who clear the medical fitness certificate, fitness exam, then job offer. After a candidate has cleared all the above hurdles, will be appointed through an appointment letter to join the organization before a specific. the organization offer them if the candidate has cleared all above hurdles like scrutiny, interview, test, fitness, references, all other hurdles will be clear. Then the job offer will be given. That's why I am telling you, selection process is a negative process because it requires some eliminations also. It is negative aspect because you are eliminating different applicants in between the steps. Okay, so job offer given to only those who clear all the prior steps. Then the next is contract of employment. If the appointment is accepted by the candidate, maybe he will refuse, he will have better opportunity. So if the appointment is accepted by the candidate, then certain documents are to be executed in which all the terms and conditions regarding the employment will be specified, such as job title, position, responsibility, pay scale, allowances, work, termination method, means everything which the employee wants to know, or all the terms and conditions which they will follow in the future will be in their agreement, will be in their contract. And that contract will be signed by both employer and employees. What is the need of contract of employment? What is the need? See, there may be some disputes in the future. Then at the time, that contract of employment will work as proof, evidence. Okay? So contract is necessary. This is the process, selection process. Preliminary screening. Preliminary screening means unfit, unqualified, untrained, unsuitable persons can be eliminated at that time. Only the scrutiny is there and the different applications will be classified. So this is the initial step. See, various applications are received for various posts. So the organization just scrutinize them. The first step is that is known as P stage. Then next is selection. Selection test, as I told you, there are 5 types of tests which is conducted to check the intelligence, aptitude, personality, demo of the interest of the applicant. And those who clear the selection test will be called for interview. So first 3 steps. Yes, I. P, preliminary screening. S, selection test. I, interview. Now, those who clear the interview, organization will inform them to submit their reference. So now, fourth step, start checking references. Checking references means the organization inform them to submit their references. Then, if the organization is satisfied, they will decide about the employee's appointment. The fifth step is selection decision. This is selection test. This is selection decision. And the decision are informed to the applicant as well as inform them about to submit their medical fitness certificate. So 6 is medical certificate. Next 3 steps are SI, CSI. And those who submitted medical fitness certificate, the organization will give them job offer, and if the employee is satisfied, they will prepare contract of employment. The next is 7 is job offer, and then 8 is so in simple words, PSI, CSM, JC. PSI, CSM, JC is the selection process. See, I am going to explain you in this way. First of all, the organization will selection process, preliminary screening, unfit, unqualified eliminate, then conduct the selection test. 5 types of tests are there. Intelligence test, to check the intelligence, trade test, to check the skill, aptitude test, to check the learning new skill, interest means the involvement, personality means emotions, values. If those clear the test will be called for interview. After interview, the organization, if the organization is satisfied, then they will call for references. Those who submitted references and the organization is satisfied, they will decide, and that is selection decision. And those who are selected, the organization will inform them to submit their medical fitness, and those who submit the medical fitness, then the organization will give them job offer, means appointment letter before a specific date. In job offer, they will discuss all the things, then that contract is prepared, which includes all the terms and conditions, and it includes job title, duty, responsibility, pay scale, allowances, work rule, termination method, the leaves, etc. Means everything is written in that agreement. Okay, I am sure you all must understood what is the today's topic. Those who are unable to understand, I am explaining you again. See, selection process in first PSI. 3 steps. You can learn by this way. P, preliminary screening, then selection test, then interview. These 3 are initial stage, elimination stage, we can say. And those who clear the interview will be called for checking references, then the organization will make the decision, then they will ask for medical. If the employee submitted medical fitness, then the organization will give them job offer, and then if the employee is satisfied with the job offer, then they will prepare contract note. Contract note is the basic evidence that will work at the time of disputes. So today we completed selection process,